Jed Norwood here with Forex Strategy Secrets. Really excited to be able to share more of our success with you. On Tuesday, I was able to take these three positions and they generated a total of 140 pips, and that took place all within an hour and a half from start to finish. Then Rod was able to make 211 pips with Bitcoin, and Clark was able to do 41 pips here in the Euro New Zealand. And then on the 28th was able to take a total of 32 pips in some small base hit plays. And then last night was able to do 20 pips in the Euro New Zealand. And then our Hawaiian hero here, he was able to do $190 in the Euro Aussie and $496 in the Pound Aussie. And then Peter was able to do two separate trades in the Pound New Zealand. Off the 15-minute chart, he was able to do a 30 pip move and a 25 pip move. And then three positions in the Pound Aussie, one for 25, one for 30, and one for 20, for a total of 75 pips. Just a taste of what's going on. This is such a fun way to earn money. It's almost so fun it's like not even work at all. If you'd like to learn more, check us out at forexstrategysecrets.com, or you can give us a holler at our email, jed@forexstrategysecrets.com. Look forward to talking with you and to your future success. This is Jed, signing off.